Here's Joe Shultz.
6.
The legend lives on from the Chippewa in the big lake they call Portugal.
3-minute check.
It's a fear they say never appears after a day when the cares of November company. Oh, we ship from the high of the American side. I'm a back from some Midwest time. And the big sailor goes to keep walking through that home. And the little captain yells his turn. The wheels and turns and the windows stay open. And she went fully loaded completely. And later that night, as the ship burned hang, could it be the North Wind made them feel? I thought we were going down there for a minute. At 7 p.m. the old cook came on deck. Seems to the engines to run the beat. At 9 p.m. the main halfway did in. Because it's been good and yellow. Oh, the captain wired when he had water coming in. And the goods of them cooler in town. And later that night, as the ship went out of sight, came the rest of the Edmund Fitzgerald. Does anyone know where the love guy goes when the waves turn the minutes to hours? The mariners all stay here and they wipe their face. If you put 13 more miles behind her. Bring a musty old hog down in Detroit, they say, at the Maritime Sailors Cathedral. It took the old time and drank 29 times when he spent away up in the Chippewa. The legend and song from the Chippewa hometown in a big lake they call Portugal. Yeah, Joe Shultz with Edmund Fitzgerald.